Hello and welcome back to my table. Today I've been afforded a great privilege. I have been sent something to review and I have been given the leniency to say, as I wish, an honest review. So what, may you ask, is this item? Well, with the increased crime in the world and the fact that Batman doesn't actually exist, how would you protect your home? Well, no, you wouldn't hide a baseball bat by the door with a couple of nails in, just in case. You would use a visual deterrent, or something that may help you grab some footage of the naughty individual trying to steal your things or break your stuff. That leads me to this. Now, the lovely people at Homeviz have supplied me this for review, and it's their OB10 model, a wireless security camera with 2K HD resolution, human detection alarm, support full colour and night vision. You can see it's quite a small little box there. IP66 dustproof and waterproof, so very good for outside, as you would like to hope. Two-way audio as well, and it can support multiple users. So let's have a look in the box, shall we? It's a very nice box actually, not cheap cardboard or anything, not flimsy, quite rugged. And inside we shall have, let's have a butcher's here. So first, the boring stuff, or the necessary boring stuff, there you go. UK, DC connector, standard plug. And then the unit itself in a very nifty air inflated bubble wrap to keep that safe in transit. You've got your wire antenna, your plugs to keep the connections when you fit it in on the wall sealed and safe from Wasser, and you've got some plugs for mounting and some screws, and of course the quick start guide. So let's get rid of this. Let's put this to the side, because when anyone does anything on YouTube, you know you don't look at the instructions. It's just the way it is, and it's the way it's going to be. So taking this out of the wrap, you can feel, yep, a solid metal body. This feels like good metal body there. It's obviously the speaker, and you've got the articulated joint, which you can tighten here to locking position. Your mounting screws, mounting plate with your screw holes there, and into your 3-point connectors. Well, your 1-point connector there for the wire to your modem, and then this looks like your power connector. I'll show that in there, and a button. I will find out what that is, but I don't know. A special button to do the laser that this camera will fire at you if you try to steal or damage my things. Well, I'm going to have a little look at the instructions. I'm assuming there's an app that goes with this. As you can see, there's the 2K lens. Got some LED lights there and your motion sensor at the bottom. But from construction, it feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. Only time will tell what the actual reliability is on this item. But if you're looking for some form of security, this may be where you want to go. So I'll be right back. I'm going to set up and have a look at this, and we'll see what's going on. So getting into the app here, to prepare your device after I've done all the sign up procedure. And then at my little details, we got here that it says you need to connect the adapter. So I'm going to connect the plug into the camera. Oh, there we go. The lights come on. And
system starting up. Wait to be configured.
What a lovely voice. So we'll go on next here. So here's a look at the camera. As you can see, this is a relatively low light. I've got the light off, it's a bit dim, and this is the 2K quality. Now you've got your series of menus here. I can talk. Hello. Stop stealing. Turn the sound on and off. You can record, you can snap what you got in your settings. You can name, your OSD configuration, video management, video. There we go. So you can go to a maximum of 5 minutes. Linked mainstream. Image configuration, you can flip it horizontally or vertically. That's brilliant. Intelligent alarm, alert area, so the human detection system. So alarm, record, turn alarm, recording on or off, alarm snapshot. So we'll be trying that out. So we've got some other stuff that's coming here. 1 screen, 4 screen, 9 screens. Yowza. So if you've got a mansion or somewhere worth staying, you can have all the screens you wish. HD, standard. So even the standard, obviously, it's not going to be the best, but it looks clear enough to me, and this is relatively low light vigilance. So here we go. Light control mode, human shape detection, warm light, full color, infrared mode, sensitivity settings, middle, and continuous light 60 seconds. An area alert. Cordon. Oh look, here we go. You can also set the parameters. So if you've got pets or animals, I'm assuming you can stop that. Left to right, right to left. So 2-way alert. So if you want to set up some sort of cordoned area to stop people, there we go. So we can do a rectangle here and have it like this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, you can even zoom in. Oh my god, I'm learning. Well, I'm making a dog's dinner of this, but you can sort of see that if I go here, anyone at all tries to move this door, that's it. It is gonna go. Look, here we go. Alarm sound. Oh, hey, look at this. Danger of depth. Maybe that's danger of death. There's a little spelling error in there. Let's put that on. Oh, and you can even do a customized one. Oh my god, with text to speak. I am impressed. Right, that's the one I want. You're gonna die. You are gonna die if you come into my house. Now, let's see if this works. I'm off.
Danger update. Pay attention to safety.
Did you hear that? Did you hear it? What a blinder. I want to do that again. Hold on, I'm going to change the settings. Right, so I'm back. Here we go. And I have set a different alarm. Let's have another butcher's.
Alert area. Please leave.
Caught red-handed. Now, let's have a little look. Let's see if it's done any recordings. So I've changed some settings. Let's see if this goes off. If I close the app and sets me an alert. Yeah, look, so here you can see also my ugly self. God, what a shocking mess, but it's all gone through. App event, human detected. A fine specimen of toxic masculinity. And here was when I was covering earlier, talking about, and I've got my phone there and you can see the super snapper. It would have got my face. I would have been in handcuffs as soon as that would have been snapped. Look at that. Look, the guilt. Look at him. Absolute scumbag. Look, yeah. He's looking for your things. You got your date there, your timestamp. Although I never set that. That's completely wrong. Trust me, I'm not up at 20 to 1 in the morning doing this. That would be very, very sad indeed. So, as a quick first impressions and a little look around, downloading the app, testing out the censoring function in a low light, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, technology, especially when it comes to a budget tech, can always be a bit hit or miss. Talking with this company, you know, they respond to your emails. They don't sell you a product and then ghost you. From my just initial first impressions, the build quality here, I'm very satisfied with it. The size, very portable, you know, but good enough to be a visual deterrent. Maybe not so easy to hit or knock around out of position. Obviously, you have got the large wireless connection, the Wi-Fi antenna, but you can also go a wired route, so you don't have any antenna exposed, and you can have a hard connection instead, and that's all through here, and that's what these ceiling caps obviously would connect to keep it protected and weatherproof. And this little button is the reset, so that's if you want to completely reset the camera. Going back here, there you go. That's just set it off because it's recognised that I have done something incredibly dishonest and I need to stop. It's detecting the crime that's happening. But you've got your series of sensors here and you can set that, and these are, I believe it's the infrared, so you can also view the camera can be used in low light, dark, so it's perfect for outside. So they're actually on Amazon. You can find them through there, and that's the Homeviz QOB10, just on there, the wireless security camera. It's about £50, and there's a discount at the moment. I believe it's still active for £15 off, and for £35 or under 50 quid, I think that if you're looking to, secure the front of your home, garden, storage with valuables, garage, this is a perfect alternative. You can wire it in, you can use the wireless. I did have a bit of issue trying to connect it, as my setup is for 5 gigahertz, and they need you to have the 2.4, but it actually connected without issue. So once I'd reviewed the instructions and did a small little bit of tinkering, because I don't use these sort of devices, so it was a matter of learning the course and exploring the menus and discovering what this unit is capable of, and it was pretty easy. 5 or 10 minutes. The other setup is going to obviously take a little bit longer if you want to drill it in and set it up on the front of your property. But for £35, £35 to £50, depending on a voucher, I would definitely recommend. It seems reliable. I'm going to obviously get it properly installed. With the current situation, that's delayed me sorting that out. It needs to be appropriate, but yeah, for a budget security camera setup, even just as a visual deterrent, it seems to go through the app without issues. I'm getting the alerts on my phone, and only time will tell if it lasts as long as I have in this life. So if you found any of this useful, I do appreciate your time checking this out, and stay safe. Keep your property safe. Consider the Homeviz OB10 as your all-in-one criminal detecting and dispersing unit. I'm Unperfect. This has been Hating Life Looks at Things. Thanks again. Ta-ta.
Alert area. Please leave.